Hey guys, it's Sarah if you're new here, and today we are doing something that I should have done 5 months ago. We are cleaning out my living room today. For context, I have been working from home from my childhood home for the last 5 months, and it's been messy, like physically very messy. This is the first time I've actually shown this corner of our house to the internet for good reason, because this is like a pig pen. The reason I actually wanted to do this is because my standing desk came in and I have nowhere to put it. So I thought it'd be nice if I just cleaned up my workspace and set up my standing desk and everything so I could have a clear mind. And if you're wondering why my workspace is the living room or like the living space, it's because I have to share my bedroom right now, and our bedroom is actually kind of tiny. Like there's enough walking space for like 10 steps maybe, and one queen bed, a bookshelf, and a chair, and that's basically it. I can't really fit anything else in there. So I actually have just been working on our dining kitchen table. Besides the lack of privacy, I just need to get myself together. Like our home kind of looks like a hoarder home, so I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna try to transform it, fix it up today. So I will begin the tour of my house right now. I'm seeing how my living room looks on the camera, and it's not pretty. I'm like very embarrassed of how things have been, but this is mostly because I just had to move everything back home. So it's like double the amount of stuff. My cat also came with a ton of stuff. Just know that this is not a representation of how I am, okay? This is the standing desk that came in. It's actually pretty big, so I'm gonna have to move these two tables out of the way and hopefully just put that there. That's my vision. These are clothes that I was gonna sell on Depop. Miscellaneous things I carried back. The rest of the standing desk, cat stuff, and our sofas are actually lined with some ratchet fabric because my parents are worried that my cat will scratch up the leather sofas, so they just wrapped it up with some blankets, so it looks kind of nasty. And there's also just a ton of things that I don't know why my parents kept, but they're all in the living room now. And there's a creepy doll collection that I have been wanting my dad to get rid of. Also a creepy cat book that my dad dug up, a creepy face statue that I made in high school, and a really cool poster that I got from a coworker. If anyone's watched Up, this is a reference. Yeah, it's just a lot of clutter overall. There's my college diploma that I spent $200 buying. And if anyone's wondering about my current workspace, this is what I was talking about. I'm genuinely so embarrassed and sorry about this. But this is our kitchen table, also very messy. And this is how I've been working for 8 hours a day. It's really bad. My posture's gotten really, really bad. That's mostly it. I just wanted to show you guys this before we started cleaning, so yeah. Okay. Hi, so the first order of business is just to kind of clear out these pens and everything. I don't know why we have just like stacks or cups of pens. I'm just gonna test some of these pens and markers because they're pretty old, so I have a feeling that some of them won't work. Okay. I can't believe I'm spending a Saturday afternoon just testing pens, but super random, but I just found this pen that's erasable. It's the Paper Mate Eraser Mate. But that's actually so cool. I don't know if you guys care to see me go through the rest of these, but I'm just gonna do that and then move on with my life. Hello. I haven't used this in a while because I got a new tripod, but this was my first tripod. My friend got it for 10 bucks and one of the legs broke, so that's why she gave it to me. I use this for like the first 3 months of YouTube. I mean, it's like my 4th month, so I mean, I'm not a seasoned professional or anything, but growth and progress. We're mostly finished with cleaning up this small area, so my dad and I are going to try to put together the standing desk right now, so that shouldn't be too hard, so yeah.
Hello.
We're not done yet, but this is what the table looks like. Super neat. It also is adjustable. It's not adjustable. It can rise up and lower. And then I don't know if you saw the picture frame from earlier on the piano, but I don't know what to do with it. And I realized that my parents never hung up my graduation photos. So I took it out and I'm just gonna fit the graduation photos onto it. Also, a funny story about my graduation photos. I took it twice because the first time my hair was a mess. And when I tell you it was a mess, it was a mess. But the second time, I thought they actually turned out pretty nice. I didn't realize this until I got the photos back, but every single photo that I took, there's a freaking chia seed stuck in my front tooth. Do you see that? Do you see the freaking chia seed? Oh my god. Well, now I just gotta flip that over. Hello. Before you say anything about how I look, I know this is Walmart version of Sarah, but yeah, this is my new workspace and this is what my coworkers see now. My mental well-being has been so much better since my parents and I cleaned up the living room, so I'm really glad we did it. I'm sorry this video is probably really boring to you, but just thought I'd bring you guys along for this small change in my life. I promise my next video will be much more entertaining, so stay tuned. Other than that, I hope you're safe and well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.